Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install the iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store, and then we need to download the app that will use the launcher. So let's type iOS launcher, and then let's install, for instance, this one. Or actually, let's go for this one. Let's press install. And now let's wait a couple of seconds in order to download and install this app. Once we install it, press open. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Let's consent over here. Now we can select the preferred language and then press done. Let's continue. And then there we go. We should have our iOS launcher on our Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, but now let's tap on screen to start exploring. Now of course we need to set our app as default home screen, so we can press set as default and then set the launcher as the default home app, and there we go. As you can see, we even have some icons from the iOS and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!